My name is Yashwin Agpal from Team 50 and I am representing our project One Shot Learning based on footprint recognition. The first and the most important key to understand about recognition is we should know about biometrics. Biometrics refer to the metrics related to human characteristics, also known as real authentication. The biometrics identifiers are specially used to measure the characteristics that are labeled and describe one individual at a time. Fingerprint consists of two parts: upper, which is ridge, and the valley is the upper layer of the skin. To extract these features, we should know about fingerprint recognition, which refers to the process of identifying or confirming the identity of an individual. So, Automatic Finger Identification System AFIS, which takes a fingerprint and picks the most likely match from million of the fingerprint images stored in the database. So there are three levels. Level 1 is basically the global feature, which includes the general ridge flow and the pattern. Level 2 is the minutia points, which contains the minute information. Level 3 are the pose, ridge, and includes all dimensional properties. So in this project, we go through the problems where we know about the latent fingerprint and we need to identify whether the footprint is having similar feature as fingerprint or not. So let's go into the project and learn about level 1 from Gunish.
Hello everyone, my name is Gunish and I will tell you about the level 1 singularity pattern. So basically we have 5 level 1 singularity patterns that are arch, left loop, right loop, tented arch and whirl. And the database that I am using is NIST Special Database 04, which has 4000 images, which has 800 classes of each label. So what I did was I took the transfer learning approach and took two pre-trained models, that is ResNet 50 and VGG16. Then I trained the dataset onto the both models and found the accuracy. Initially the accuracy was 63 to 65%, but after that I used data augmentation technique and increased the accuracy to 80%. After that I took the prediction model and tested on the footprint images. So the results were of varying category. For example, sometimes the results were accurate, but for sometimes it had some less probability, which could occur due to less data set or the pre-processing of the data set was not good at all. So now Karthik will tell you about the minutia extraction. Thank you.
So hey everyone, I'll be using one-shot footprint recognition technique. So in this footprint recognition technique, we'll be using Siamese neural networks. So the purpose of using this Siamese neural network is the very low amount of footprint data set. So as you know, it's very difficult to calculate to collect the footprint data set. So we'll be using the optimized method for this data set. So we can't use traditional CNN techniques. So we'll be using one-shot recognition techniques where we take two input images random from the dataset. We'll just pass through the normal CNN, compute the features, and then we'll use a contrasted loss function. So what does this loss function do? This loss function is basically the Euclidean distance between the two features. So basically we compute the features of the two input images. We'll calculate the Euclidean distance. Based on that, we'll compute the loss and then we'll backpropagate to update the weights. The interesting part of this neural network architecture is that both the input images share the same weights of the network architecture. So once the backpropagation happens, the next time we will input an image, both of that image share the same updated weights. So after training for 450 epochs, we have tested these images and then we got an accuracy of 57.80% for threshold of 0.10 dissimilarity rate. So suppose the dissimilarity is approx less than 0.10, then we'll declare it as the same images of two subjects. But if the dissimilarity rate is greater than 0.10, we'll declare that these two images belong to different subjects. So I'll now pass to the Anuj. He will conclude our results.
So after the evaluation of our two different experiments, we saw that the VGC16 model working over the singularity features of NIST SD04 fingerprint dataset showed better accuracy compared to ResNet, which was 80.1% with 30 epochs. So as for the finger footprint dataset, which was custom made and had 180 images of 44 different people, we see that the evaluations showed 57% accuracy in minutia extraction and using minutia net model, which was a Siamese CNN model containing fine net and coarse net. So for the better evaluation and representation of our accuracies, we have calculated the training graph and validation losses for latent fingerprint dataset, and the ROC curve is also plotted for the footprint dataset. ROC stands for receiver operating characteristic curve, which is plotted for TPR, true positive rate, and FPR, false positive rate. So in the end, we just think that the scope for further improvement is always there, and we would like to work over better implementation of these models for better accuracies. So at the end, thank you for your time and thank you for watching.